Kirby, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a holiday giveaway! Yay! I have a bunch of good stuff, eyeshadow palettes, highlighters, face masks, the works for you guys to try and win. If you are interested to enter or see what is in my giveaway that is valued for a little over $100, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so I really like to do giveaways around the holidays, and I've already done one on my Instagram, and so I thought that I would do a slightly larger one on my YouTube, just because I think that it's a really great way of appreciating your subscribers and your followers, and I've just been really blessed in my freelance business as well as my social media business, I guess if you will, even though I'm what would be considered a micro influencer. I don't even like that terminology, but in any case, my channels are micro. I just think that giveaways are a really nice way of showing appreciation and love for the community that we're building together. And so without any further ado, I'm going to tell you everything that's in this giveaway, and then I will tell you at the very end how to enter. It's gonna be super simple though. I don't like complicated giveaways because I want you guys to try and win this stuff. So I should also note that this giveaway is not sponsored by anybody. I am not being paid by anybody. All of the products that you see have either been purchased by me, have come in subscription boxes, and I already have it, so I put it in my giveaway pile, and or a company has given me free product and I have wanted to give it away. So this is not a sponsored anything. Nobody is paying me to do this. I'm just wanting to do a giveaway because they're fun. Again, without any further ado, we're jumping right in. In this giveaway, you're getting 2 face masks, or you're trying to get 2 face masks. I just released a video reviewing the Biovene Pink Peel Off face mask, and they were so generous to give me this smaller one, which is about, I think, valued at like $6. It's 1.7 fluid ounces, and it is their Pink Peel Off mask. It is their clarifying, firm, and hydrated activated charcoal with strawberry collagen and argan oil. It's a really great mask. It leaves your skin feeling so soft and so smooth. So you're trying to get this, but then I also am putting in a Loreal Pure Clay face mask. This is the clarifying and smoothing 3 pure clays and yuzu lemon. I have no clue what that means, and I have never used a L'Oreal face mask. However, I've heard such great things about it. I just wanted to give it away, try and let you guys have it. The next item is a I can't pronounce this company's name. Sol de Janerio, their Bum Bum Bath Bomb. It is in this little ornament. How cute for the holidays. I got this at Sephora. I think it was like $10. If you'd like to give it away, I have left the tag empty, so if you'd like to re-gift it. However, I got their Bum Bum Cream in a BoxyCharm, and I really liked it. It was so sweet smelling, and it was, I think, like a firming lotion, and it was just really delicious and wonderful, and it made my skin feel amazing. And so I saw that they had like these little bath bomb ornaments, and I was like, wouldn't that be so cute for a holiday giveaway? So I picked one up, and I just think it's just like the cutest. I can't smell it. I've never used their bath bomb, so I couldn't tell you really anything about it, but I just thought it was super cute, and so I thought I would add it to the giveaway. Next are 2 EOS Lip Balms. I don't know what scent they are because they came in like a really big package from Costco that I opened up so that I could kind of divide it because nobody needs 6 EOS Lip Balms, or at least I don't. I think these are like strawberry and strawberry vanilla or something like that. I don't know. But you'll get 2 of those if you win! Yay! And they're gonna come in this cute little Christmas bag. Yay! The next item in the giveaway is a micro beauty blender. There's only one. I got this way back. I think it was in a Sephora play box, actually. And I already had the micro beauty blender, and I didn't need any more, and so I have kept it. And it's in this little sealed package. I don't think it's ever been taken out of it. It is clean, it has little instructions, never been used. I really like using these micro beauty blenders for your eyelid or underneath your eye. When they first came out, I was like, who needs that small of a beauty blender? Like, that's kind of dumb. And then I got them, and I purchased them, or I somehow had them, and I started using them for like my concealer and like on my eyelid, blending out my what's that called, primer and concealer, and I was like, oh, I understand now. These are also really great for like liquid highlighters. The Micro Beauty Blender, it is deceptive that it is such a wonderful tool being so small. It is actually quite wonderful. Next up is some nail polish from Essie. So you are getting 2 bottles. One is full size and one is a little mini size. And the mini size is called Skinny Dip. And isn't that like the greatest pinky nude? Like if you're a working professional gal and you can't have a color all the time, like I think that's a perfect nude. And then the other one is called Wild Nude, and this is like a little bit darker, a little bit more demure, if you will. I don't know, I really liked these and I thought that they pair well together. You could even mix and match these. You could wear them both at the same time. I'm just putting that out there. But who doesn't love a good nude nail polish? Everybody. And Essie has such a great formula. It goes on so smooth. Almost finished. 2 more products. One of the last products in the giveaway is the Loreal Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in Gilded Honey. This is a fresh box, never been used. I'm actually not even going to open it. If you watch beauty channels, you know what Gilded Honey is. It literally, whenever Loreal released Gilded Honey, it took over the beauty community in a way that I have never seen a highlighter take over the beauty community. I personally have never used Gilded Honey. Whenever I went to go buy this, I bought myself the Peach Glow, mainly because Gilded Honey is a little like too bronzy for me personally, but this is what they look like. This is the Peach Glow. You will get Gilded Honey. It's amazing. I love Loreal's blushes. I love her lip glosses and her, what am I trying to say? Oh, spackle. Loreal has a really wonderful brand. I also got to meet her at Ipsy, and it was the time of my life. It was like 2 or 3 years ago, and I will never forget, and if I ever get the chance to meet her again, she will probably never remember me, and that is okay, but she called my mother a classy lady because I told her, story time, I told her that Loreal was some of the first makeup that I ever used and really got into because my mom ordered it from QVC, and I stole her makeup, obviously, because all little girls do. And she winked at me and said my mom's a classy lady and raised me right. So that will forever be a memory in my mind. Again, not that Loreal will ever remember meeting me, but I will hold that near and dear to my heart. She is sweet as candy. She is sweet as can be. Last but not least, the Urban Decay Urban Addictions palette. I don't think they sell this anymore. I got this year at a Loreal outlet store. I'm not going to open it, but on the back, so these are the colors that you get in the Urban Addictions palette. It's like a brown, a neutral, a purple, and like an orangey tone. You get a little mini brush. What's also kind of nice about this palette is that on the back it opens up and you get a little sample of the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, which I think is always nice and sweet. But it's just a cute little palette. And I mean, Urban Decay makes some like pretty solid eyeshadow, so I don't think anybody would be disappointed to receive this in a giveaway. So this is, to me, this is a pretty bumpin' giveaway. Alright guys, so those are the products in the giveaway. How you enter. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment on this video. All you have to do is comment your favorite makeup product. I love getting suggestions for new makeup products, so I think that is the perfect entry. Subscribe, comment below what your favorite makeup product is, and then you're entered. The giveaway will close on Tuesday, December 18th. The winner will be announced on my Instagram at Kirby Rose Beauty. I will post it on the Instagram stories as well as comment below or reply to your comment below so that you know that you have won, and that's it. So I hope that you guys enjoy all of the products that are in this giveaway. I hope all of you enter. If you enjoyed what's in this video, please give it a big old thumbs up to let me know that you like giveaways or that you like what's in this giveaway so I have an idea of what to do for future giveaways. As always, please be sure to subscribe, not only to be entered, but because you never know whenever I'm going to do another giveaway, and I hate for you to miss out on any more reviews, tutorials, or giveaways. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and good luck!